How to log in to Target credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Target credit card account so you can manage your card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Target credit card. After you search for Target credit card, you will be here on this page here. So head over to target.com/circlecard. After that, this website should open up like this. Then you'll see this option that says for credit or debit cards. Tap on manage credit or debit card. After you do that, your Target circlecard.target.com will open up. And now all you need to do is simply log in into your account. So here you can see manage your Target Circle card. All you have to do is type in your email or username. So type in your username here and then your password and then tap on sign in. Doing that, you should be able to manage your Target card. And if you don't have that card or the account, simply tap on sign up. And here you can type in your card number and go ahead with the creation process. And it's basically that simple, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.